How to fix Discord keep disconnecting. Today guys I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So now first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this go directly to apps, and on apps now what you should do, just search for Discord. When you found Discord, just open it like this and go to storage option. Then go to clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things, don't forget it, is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like it and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.